Your next topic in the module 4 file system is file system mounting. What do you mean by mounting? Already you know about that. What do you mean by mounting and unmounting? Whenever you try to install, whenever you try to insert the external devices, you can see that the device is mounted. In some systems it will be specified as the device is mounted. Mounting is nothing but it is connecting to the external device. When there is a connection between the external device, then you can perform the operations which are the file consisting within the particular external device. Each device consists of its own local file system. Mounting is the operation that administrator or user perform to cause the file system on a physical storage device to appear as a part of the file system. Mount system call is used on Unix or Linux operating system for mounting the file system, and unmount system call for disconnecting the particular file system. Mounting file system is used when there are more than one file system is used. Required file system is mounted in the host file system machine as a root directory. When there are multiple file systems, then you can use the mount operation. Whenever the mount operation is mainly used whenever there are more than one file system is used. So, what is the procedure for mounting the file system? To mount the particular file system, device name and the location within the file structure is required. It is a mandatory thing, the device name and the location within the file structure, and it provides by operating system. The device name and the structure and the location will be provided by your operating system. A mount point is typically an empty directory when the mounted file system will be attached. When there is an attachment of the external device, the mount directory will be empty at the initial state. The image, you can see that image. The image depicts that mounting a file system on secondary storage device. That is the picture which represents the mounting file system on a secondary storage device. File system manage mounted directories by using mount table. User can create the soft links to files in mounted file system. Mount tables keep track of actual physical location of the files. So this is about your procedure of your mounting file system. And whenever you try to unmount the particular mounted system, it will be displayed as a busy file system. Busy file system cannot be unmount by using a unmount command. Whenever some operation is going on, whenever the particular any file which is present in the mounted device, which if it is using by the operating system, or if it is unopened, that document is opened in that particular device, means you are not able to unmount that particular device using a unmount command. It will be shown as a busy file system. The file system is considered busy in the following situations. File system is shared in between the users. A program has a file open in that file system. A user is accessing a file or directory in the file system. In these three cases, or in these three scenarios, it will be pop up as a busy file system. By the time you cannot unmount the particular user a particular mounted or a particular file. And next, this is an example. Consider the file structure. Consider the file structure of the pen drive. This is the pen drive file structure. And this is the file system before mounting. As I said you, before mounting, initially all the mounted system directory will be empty. So this is the file system structure in pen drive. When there are multiple files, when there are more than one file structures, then only you will make use of a mount command. So when you make use of that mount command, the pen drive is mounted to the directory sorting program. Here the pen drive becomes the part of the file structure. So to access the path in the to access the file in trip photo, the path can be sorting program slash trip photo. So after file system, after mounting, so this will be the structure of that particular file system. What are what are the advantages of your mounting? It is user oriented naming scheme, and it makes sense to be able to mount at any level. Next, the disadvantage of your mounting system is the hardware is less obvious, since device can be located anywhere in the tree structure. So there is no any specific path in the tree structure. The data can be stored in anywhere in that particular file structure. So very difficult to it is very difficult to locate where the particular file is. Thank you. This is all about your file structure.